Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. So in this video, we will explore how to create a matching and survivorship rules to manage the duplicate customer data and ensure the consolidation of records into a single master record. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, we will see how to create a matching rules for the person information. So head to the matching and survivorship section, then click on the new option. So it will open the matching and survivorship dialog box. So in this, we have to provide the name for our strategy. Then select the person entity from the drop down because we are creating the matching rule for performing onto the person entity. Then choose both the strategy components. Then utilize the attribute assistant to select existing and create a new output attributes which will store the matching status information. Then click on OK. Then go to the matching tab, and from the matching tab, click on the attribute section. So this attribute section is used to define the set of features and attributes which will be used for performing the matching strategy. So we will, for this demonstration, we will use the source email attribute. Click on the new, and then from here, select the source email attribute. Then choose the match type to exact, and then set the threshold value to 1 and click on save button. So what happen whenever we will run this matching and survivorship rule, so it will match and merge those records where the source email is similar. So by using the same procedure, we have defined other attribute sets which will be used for the matching algorithm, like as on the first name and last name we have performed the fuzzy matching. Then in the second attribute set, on the first name and last name we have performed the token based fuzzy matching, and for date of birth and source email we have used the exact matching. Similarly, for the last name and member id we have performed the exact matching. So you can define the as many attributes you want to define. And then under the criteria option and the options option, so keep all the default settings as it is. We are not doing anything with that. Then click on the survivorship tab. So in the survivorship tab, utilize the attribute assistant and choose the option select existing and create new. So what will happen, it will create the new output attributes which will hold the master record information. Then click on the attribute section and click on new, and then select the date of birth from here. So we are defining the survivorship rule. So why we use the survivorship rule? Suppose you have the date of birth information. The same information is coming from multiple sources like as ERM, MKT and CRM. Then you want to give more priority to CRM source because CRM source holds the better date of birth information. So prioritize the sources. We will use the survivorship rules. So we have selected the date of birth here, then click on the filter, and in the filter we have to choose the CRM source. Means we are giving more priority to CRM source. Then here choose operator equals, and in the value select the CRM. We can also use this sort configuration as well to prioritize the sources. Then go to the configuration. Choose the always copy and override promotion action policy. Then click on the record completeness. Then choose the value occurrence and keep other things as it is. Then click on save. So we have defined the particular attribute set for the survivorship. Then by using this same procedure, define the survivorship rule for the other attributes like as email, member ID, first name, last name, phone, and etc. Then click on the web stewardship tab, and from the web stewardship tab, click on the options tab and select all the options here. So all these options are mostly useful for the data steward to approve or reject the members in the cluster. Then allow merge, allow manual promotion and manual harmonization. Then click on the processing option, and from here select the processing server which will run this particular matching and survivorship strategy. And you can also enable the automated processing. So what will happen whenever new record is added or some records are modified, then it will automatically run the matching and survivorship rule. Then click on the save and close option. So as you can see, our customer matching and survivorship strategy is successfully created. Suppose we want to run this customer matching and survivorship rule. So for that purpose, first of all, we'll have to check out our model. After that, again go to the matching and survivorship. Then select our matching and survivorship strategy. Click on the process. Then choose matching and survivorship option from here. Then choose the keep any existing matching results and click on start button. So it will start running the our matching and survivorship strategy. Keep refreshing the page until the summary is completed. Then click on close. Then click on the view option and result summary. It will show us the results of our matching and survivorship strategy. So yeah, it's successfully showing the result summary of matching and survivorship strategy. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.